ZAIN Javad Zayn Malik, born January 12, 1993, is an English singer and songwriter. In 2010, Malik auditioned as a solo artist for the British reality television music competition The X Factor. After being eliminated as a solo performer, Malik was brought back into the competition along with Harry Styles, Niall Horan, Liam Payne and Lewis Tomlinson to form the boy band One Direction. During his time in the group, Malik and his bandmates released the albums Up All Night 2011, Take Me Home 2012, Midnight Memories 2013 and For 2014. In March 2015, Malik's representative announced the singer's departure from the band. Malik is Muslim. He speaks English and Urdu and can read Arabic. He has received abuse in the form of anti-Muslim slurs, which led to him deleting his Twitter account in 2012. During the 2014 Israel-Gaza conflict, Malik posted the message #Free Palestine on Twitter, resulting in him receiving angry responses and death threats. He has since avoided publicly expressing political views. He said that after the release of his debut album, he plans to pursue an academic degree in English or literature, which he originally intended before his music career. While at the same time writing his next album, he is an official ambassador of the British Asian Trust charity group, contributing to improving the lives of disadvantaged people living in South Asia. With his former group One Direction, he contributed to African fundraising events with comic relief. In March 2016, he bought a box at Bradford City for underprivileged children to watch football, named after his maternal grandfather Walter Bradman. As of April 2015, shortly after he left One Direction, Malik's net worth was £25 million, $38 million. As of April 2016, his net worth is £30 million, $46 million. Personal life: Malik began dating Perry Edwards of Little Mix in early 2012. They got engaged in 2013. On August 4, 2015, Malik's representative confirmed that the couple had ended their engagement. Since November 2015, he has been seen on dates with American model Gigi Hadid, and he confirmed their relationship. In March 2016, Malik signed the solo recording contract with RCA Records. In 2015, with his debut studio album Mind of Mine released on March 25, 2016, the album and its lead single Pillow Talk reached #1 in several countries, including the United Kingdom, the United States, Australia, Canada and New Zealand, with Malik becoming the first British male artist to debut at #1 in both the UK and US with his debut single and debut album. Malik grew up in East Bowling, located south of the Bradford City Centre. He attended Lower Fields Primary School and Thong High School in Bradford. Malik has stated that he started taking pride in his appearance after moving schools at the age of 12, and as a teenager he took performing arts courses and appeared in school productions. He grew up listening to his father's urban music records, primarily R&B, hip-hop and reggae, as well as Bollywood music. He started writing raps when he was at school and sang on stage for the first time when singer Jay Sean visited his school. Malik also did boxing when he was 15 to 17 years old. Prior to his music career, he was originally planning to pursue an English degree at University Road. Malik auditioned in Manchester for the 7th series of reality television competition The X Factor. He sang Let Me Love You by Mario as his audition song and was accepted into the next round. Upon auditioning for He Was Looking for an Experience, he was eliminated before the final round of the competition, but judges Nicole Scherzinger and Simon Cowell grouped him with fellow competitors Harry Styles, Niall Horan, Liam Payne and Lewis Tomlinson to show the boy band that would become known as One Direction. The group quickly gained popularity in the UK, finished in 3rd place and were subsequently signed by Cowell to a reported £2 million Sicko Records record contract. Mind of Mine. In March 2015, Malik was seen at a London recording studio with producer Naughty Boy, leading to speculation of that they're working on music together. Following his departure from One Direction, Malik alluded to the potential of his first solo studio album to be released under the Sicko label in 2016. On March 31, 2015, Naughty Boy released on SoundCloud an early demo of Malik's song I Won't Mind. In June 2015, UK Snow Type featuring Mike Righteous and produced by Naughty Boy, a covered version of Race Remord's hip-hop song with Naughty Boy as his producer. Malik also worked with crime rappers Krept and Conan during this time, recording the sick video, but the material was never released after Malik parted ways with Naughty Boy. Those unreleased his work with Naughty Boy and Krept and Conan helped Malik gain a new urban audience in the UK. Musical style and influences. Malik cites urban music as his main musical influence, having grown up on reggae as well as Bach and Bollywood music. He was influenced by his father's urban records including R. Kelly, Usher, Donell Jones, Prince, Michael Jackson, Tupac, Biggie, Gregory Isaacs and I. Loudman, as well as Chris Brown. Malik originally auditioned to be a solo R&B singer, and his R&B singing style stood out compared to the band's pop-rock style. He later cited creative differences as a reason for leaving the R&B and alternative R&B, and occasionally other genres such as electro R&B dance music like I Would hip-hop pillow talk remix where Malik is rapping and rap singing with Lil Wayne, Neo Soul Truth Reggae Do Something Good, and Call Girls All Flower where he uses Call vocal techniques such as vocal illusions and warbling voice. Malik possesses a wide tenor vocal range and is singing techniques and hitting high notes with his vocals. 98-99 He was regarded as the band's strongest singer. As Brad Nelson of The Guardian writes, he was one of the more accomplished vocalists of the group. Exhibited a silvery, full-bodied tenor similar to but more sharp and precise than Harry Styles' Smokey warble, asserting that his departure image. Malik was known as the Bradford Bad Boy of One Direction due to his mischievous behavior, scandals, many tattoos, graffiti events prior to X Factor. Malik has been a fan of tattoos, saying that he likes getting tattoos and that he loves the whole culture behind them. His first tattoo was revealed on his Twitter account. Malik got his maternal grandfather's name. Malik has had several more tattoos. Discussing Malik's possible solo career after leaving the boy band, Billboard editor Joe Lynch described him as the quiet one in the group, never the one to grab the spotlight. During interviews, he typically saved his words for the songs, not for media sound. In 2011, he was ranked number 27 on Glamour's World's Sexiest Men list. In 2014,